Hey everyone, I am nearing the end of my pregnancy, so I've been doing everything I can to use more natural products when it comes to cleaning the house. Now there's one item I have found that works like a charm around here, and that is this lemon. So I'm about to show you 5 ways on how you can use a lemon to clean up your home. The first way is to deep clean your microwave. Now inside you typically find a lot of gunk and grease that you have to muscle to get off, and quite honestly, I don't have the energy for that anymore. So I found this beauty of a hack instead. In a microwave safe bowl, take about a cup of distilled white vinegar and some lemon wedges, pop it right into the microwave for about 1 minute. Now what's going to happen is the steam will loosen up all of that grime for you, so all you have to do is just wipe it off. You can deep clean your pots and your pans and remove any grease or caked on food in a way that does not hurt your wrists. Start by adding some water just to the bottom or the surface of your pan. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and about 1 lemon's worth of juice. Take the pan, put it on your stove top, bring it to a boil, and then let it simmer just for about 5 to 10 minutes. When it's done, take off the pan from the heat and then just rinse it off as usual. Another surface that you can deep clean is your cutting board. All you do is add some baking soda, squeeze half a lemon, start to scrub, and then rinse when you're done. A natural alternative to using window cleaner is to mix about 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 to 3 cups of warm water. Now, depending on how much grime is on the window, you may need to let this set for about 30 to 60 seconds before you wipe away, and you may need to repeat the process. And to really embrace that beautiful citrus smell, you make some stovetop potpourri at the end of the day. All I did was really slice up some lemons, and you can add anything else you like. For me, I love the smell of cinnamon and lavender together. It makes the whole house smell so heavenly. And all of these tips have worked like an absolute charm. So let me know if you try any, and I'll see you for the next one.